Welcome to Selling Edge. This is Salim Sheikh here, sales training consultant and coach. Today's video I would like to start with my personal experience when I was in sales. Now 15 years that I spent in different industries, FMCG and pharmaceutical. One of the questions which was regularly asked as to why your performance is down. And second question is, how is your performance is good? So I always found it difficult to answer this question, primarily because there was no answer I know. I always said it was a hard work, probably the season was good, things were right, products were accepted well, but there were very generic answers that I could give. And I realized later that there are different answers to these questions. Even today, when I ask salespeople as to how do you achieve your targets, what are the reasons, they do not have a right kind of answer. Or even if for non-performance, I find that people struggle to give the answer. Now we will definitely see what are the answers that you can actually give and what are the reasons behind that. There is another example I would like to share. That is, this is a video, I am sure you must have seen that. This is about the retail store. The retail manager, he was actually wondering as to why in one of the cash counters the rush is always very high. They had multiple cash counters, but one particular cash counter, he found that the rush was very high. And even when he requested the customers in a queue that why don't you go to the other counter, there are nobody there. But they said no, we would like to stand here. And when he actually went into deep and saw what the reason is, and they asked customers, okay, why are you standing in this queue? They said, sir, because we get our thought of the day if we stand here. And he started wondering, started thinking as to what is this thought of the day. And then they found out that the packer in this particular queue used to put a thought of the day, the print of thought of the day into the packet that is to pack. And customers used to like them. And when he inquired and we spoke with the packer as to why do you do that, he found that this guy was very enthusiastic and wanted to make a mark. He wanted to do something for the people that he is serving. So he thought of this idea, back end, he used to bring those thought of the day and take up printouts and put it into the bags, and people liked it, and that is why he found that the rush was very high at his counter. Now the retail manager could find out why the rush was high, because he went inside and saw what is the reason, and he found the reasons. Similarly, it is very important for us to understand what are the reasons for our success in sales and what are the reasons for our failure in sales, because without diagnosis or without finding out the reasons, we will not be able to correct ourselves, we will not have a right kind of a plan, and we will not take action based on that. Traditionally what we do, we rely on the records, that is a sales record that we have. We depend on the records that we have, sales records, results which are there. But at the same time, you struggle to see why these results have come, what are the activities that I had done earlier because of which these records have come. This is where the data comes into a picture, and a good salesperson will always ensure that he has the record of all the activities that the person has done. Now when you talk about the activities, this will include everything, right from what kind of a profile of customers that you are meeting, what frequency you are meeting them, what are their responses, what are the conversion rates, which market you are getting good responses or bad responses, what are the products that are giving you good results, what are the slow moving or fast moving products, also the ABC analysis of the customers as well as the products, what time is suitable, what are the different seasons, what are the different markets. All this when you record, you will find that at the end of the day, or when you have a targets given, you will be able to go back to your records, activities, and see what are the activities which has been giving me results, and then accordingly you can plan your year or your month to achieve those targets. So my request to all of you is that be a data-driven salesperson and not a person who does all his activities without any kind of a thought. So be a smart worker than only a hard worker. So I'm sure that this input would certainly help you, and you will start keeping record of everything that you have been doing. And if you keep a record, I think you empower yourself to get the best results in sales. Thank you so much and all the best.